everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how can you make this beautiful bracelet. So don't forget to subscribe. I don't know what time I'm up to. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Evergreen Arts and Crafts. And this is super easy to make. I have used a little, the dress buttons and then the pearls over here. You can wear it like this, or you can use this side of your bracelet. As you can see, it's really loose because my client has requested to make a looser size, so I have made the loose one. If you wanted to, you can customize the size you wanted to. So now I'm going to start this video, so let's get started with the video and look at this beautiful bracelet. Now, what the supplies you will need, I'm going to mention this in a description box down below. Also, I'm going to tell you in the video what supplies you will need. So let's get started with the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, so for this video, I am taking 6mm pearls, and I am going to use these buttons of two different colors, which are in purple and rainbow holographic. I don't know the size, so I'm just keeping it on a ruler so you can understand. I think it's almost 10mm or 10 or 12mm, because when I bought these I didn't know the size. And I am using 0.7mm elastic. If you wanted to, you can go ahead and make it in fish wire, and you can add locks at the end, but I would prefer the elastic. So starting with, I'm adding 3 pearls, 1, 2, and 3. So this is my starting point. Size depends on what size you want it to, obviously, what kind of a thing I'm explaining. Anyways, so for adding these, I am going to make sure I'm going to keep this the front side at the front, and towards me is going to be the back side. I'm going to add elastic on the top. Next, I'm going to add 2 pearls, and then I'm going to add the purple bead, the purple button. Now, from now till I come back to the end, I'm going to keep adding 1 pearl between each. So it's going to be 1 this rainbow, and then the purple, then 1 pearl, and the purple, and again the 1 pearl, and then the rainbow one. So I'm going to finish this till the desired length I wanted to, and then I'm going to tell you that how many pieces have I used. Okay, so this is what my bracelets looks like right now. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 of these, and now I'm going to use a larger one in between. So at the end point, when we are going to make sure these are properly closed, the top of these, as you can see, there is a little bit space. So I'm going to press, okay. And now, as I have decided that I'm going to use this larger stone at the end. Now at the end part, as you can see, we have 2 beads here, so we're going to add 1 more at the end, like that. And now we are going to add in our large stone right here, and I think I should remove 2 beads, or okay, if there are 2 beads, 2 beads, and 2 beads, so we need 2 beads before of this pattern, right? So I'm changing a pattern a little bit because of the size my client has ordered. I'm going to remove, add in 2 beads, add in the purple one, adding 2 beads, 2, I'm adding this big piece, or I think I should add 3, and I think I should remove this piece because I want it purple on both of the side of this piece. So I think I should go ahead and replace it like that. What do you think? Then I have to add 2 beads over here. So I'm going to cut. It's okay. You can design the way you want to. I'm just sharing the idea, okay? So it's totally depend what design you wanted to. I want a little bit different design from one side, so you can switch the. So I'm adding 3 pearls, just like the way before. Oh, okay, and 3 pearls on this side before adding the bigger piece, like that. And now I'm going to add the bigger piece. And now what you're going to do is just tie a knot. And I think the size is still not according my client. Or I think I should add a little bit more of these on the sides. Okay, let me arrange and I'll get back to you. So after changing a little bit on my bracelet, I have added the same thing right in between, then 2 pearls, then this bead, then 3 pearl, then this bead, then one pearl, and adding this giant bigger piece. So now I'm happy with the size. Yes. And now we are going to make a regular knots. Okay. Perfect. And hiding the knot into the pearl, and I'm going to cut. Okay, so this is what your bracelet is going to look like. And now I'm going to take again this, and now I'm going to start doing again everything, making sure that all the pieces are on the same side, facing the same side. We are going to start taking, and we are going to repeat the same thing. I have taken the first pearl. I'm going to pass my elastic into the second part, another pearl, and then I'm going to pass it through the next one, and then we're going to add 3 pearls. 1, 2, and 3, and then we are going to pass it through this purple one. It's really easy to make. Once you're going to start it, you're going to know what I am doing. Look at this. This is how these are going to stay on the place. And now we're going to add 2 pearls. 1 and 2. And now we're going to pass it through the second one. And now 1 pearl and this button or stone, whatever you call it. So now look, this is how these are going to stay on the place. Now we are going to add 1 pearl, like we are going to follow the same pattern all the way till I come back, and then we're going to knot. We are done with this piece right here. So this is how we are going to connect. Now, as you can see, I have repeat all these like 3 pearls, 3 pearls, 2 pearls, then 1, 1, 1, all the way around. And now we are going to make a nice tight knot and make sure that the piece is nice and round. So this is the really nice big size. I have made almost like 3 knots into the pearl, and now we are going to cut. Now, look, it's really nice and beautiful bracelet. Let me wear it for you. So you have two different sides. You can wear it on this side, or you can rotate and wear it on this side. So this is what it looks like. You can customize the size you wanted it, because my client requested a bigger size, so I made it in the bigger one. I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone for watching. Take care. Bye bye.